next practice that we will be doing is called Trataka. Trataka is considered what is called a karma. It is one of the 6 cleansing techniques of yoga, of hatha yoga. And it means to gaze steadily. The practice of Trataka, it develops concentration. And we know that the power of the mind is great, but through desires and energy wasting pastimes, this energy of mind is dissipated in all directions. We are subjected to a continual bombardment of sensory data, and we are unaware of the multitudes of thoughts that are passing through our mind. It is only when we relax and partially cut off the sense awareness that we become conscious of all this mental activity. So in order to concentrate on an object, either internal or external, the mind must be kept under control so that it is not distracted. And one way of doing this is by choosing something as the object of concentration, which will make the mind experience peace and steadiness. For this purpose, the mantra Om, a flower, a picture of someone that you really respect and identify with, or a flame of a candle can be chosen. The candle flame is the most convenient and practical objects for beginners. So this practice allows us to experience what is called dharana, or concentration. And this is the stage of yoga from the ashtanga yoga system that comes right after pratyahara, the practice of reducing the influence and the stimulation of the senses. Okay, so make sure that you have a candle, and you're going to place it at arm's distance away from you on a table or a chair, and make sure you can see the flame. So not too far, not too close, and not too low or not too high. Let's begin. Again, place the lighted candle an arm's length away at eye level. Hold your back, neck, and head in a comfortable and erect position. If you are light sensitive, I recommend that you turn the lights off in your space. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and close your eyes. Now be aware of your whole body. Adjust yourself so that you have no need to move throughout the entire practice. Feel the steadiness of the whole body. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Again, feel the steadiness of the whole body. Make sure you're comfortable. When you settled again, reaffirming and reestablishing your straight back and your comfortable head, let's chant Om 7 times and feel the vibration surging through the whole body and the brain. Let's inhale. Om. 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 Now we will begin outer gazing. Now open your eyes and gaze at the top of the wick of the flame. Your eyes should be wide open, but without strain. Try to consciously relax the eye muscles. Do not close the eyes and try not to blink. If, however, you feel discomfort, blink the eyes and then continue the practice. Keep your pupils steady. Keep your mind on the wick of the candle. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back. And we're going to do this for 2 minutes. Continue to gaze at the flame and move your attention down to the wick. You can allow your observation to take in the colors and the contours of the flame. And every time your mind wanders, just continually go back to the flame. Let your breath be very natural. Your eyes may begin to water, and this is normal. This is part of the cleansing aspect of this practice, cleansing the eyes. Just continue your gaze gently. The eyes again are soft. They are open, yet not strained. And the eye muscles are relaxed. And you're just observing with full awareness, full attention to the object of your concentration. Good. Let your mind come back to the flame. Okay, now gently close your eyes and comfortably rest your eyes closed and visualize the after image of the candle flame at the eyebrow center. And try to keep the image steady. So now we've moved to stage 3 of the inner practice, the inner Trataka or gazing. Keep your mind only on the image. And if any experience arises, try to just observe the experience. Try to remain a witness rather than slipping into some sort of engagement with the experience. And then do this for as long as the image is clear in your mind. Now we repeat stages 2 and 3. We're going to go back and forth. When you lose the image of the flame in the inner sight or in the eyebrow center, that space between the eyebrows, go ahead and open your eyes and gaze again at the wick or at the flame. Recapture the image. All your awareness should be focused at the flame. So we will continue this now for 3 minutes, moving back and forth between the open eye observation of the flame. And once you feel that you've observed the flame well and you have a good image of the flame in your sight, then close your eyes and meditate on the flame, or concentrate on the flame in the inner awareness. And your mind will most likely wander to thought. And once you notice that you're engaged in the thought, come back to the object of concentration, which is the flame. Either come to it in the mind, in the mind's eye, or go back outward and look at the physical flame for as long as you need to, and then bring it inside again. Continue on your own for another 1.5 minutes. Again, catching the image of the flame, holding it in your mind, and then closing the eyes. Again, concentrating on that inner image. Now we'll come to the end of the practice. Keep the eyes closed for a short time and just merely watch the activities or lack of activities of the mind. Be a witness to any experience that is occurring. And we can gently chant Om 1 time. A nice long inhale. A nice soft exhale. And then open your eyes and blow out the candle.